Greetings, here we are, rocking again. We are today going to talk about how to make fruit roll-ups. Now, this is a recipe that requires a dehydrator, but it's very simple. You just need to get your fruit, blend. Of course, you have to have a dehydrator, and you can either spread it on Teflon sheets or parchment paper. So it's a matter of, we like to use mangoes and dates. And you pick the dates, peel the mango, cut off from the seed. You're gonna blend it till it's like a pudding consistency. And you're gonna spread it on the Teflon sheet and put in the dehydrator. What we like to do is, after you're going to dehydrate it maybe 8 to 12 hours. Around the 4-hour, 6-hour mark, you're going to score it, which is like put lines in it so it's easier to cut and make more symmetrical pieces. And we like to make ours a little thicker than normal, so it's not like the paper thin. So if you're going to make it thicker, you're probably going to need to do like 12 to 15 hours, maybe even 18 hours. But it's a simple treat. It goes over very well with all people. It's very tasty. You don't have to add any sweetener, especially if you use fruit that is a little more on the ripe side. So that gives you something to do with your possibly overripe fruit. It's healthy. It's not sugar laden. Before everybody jumps on me about sugar, there's a difference between white sugar and fruit sugar. There is nothing wrong with fruit sugar. Fruit sugar is easily digested by the body, as opposed to white sugar, which is bleached and has all the nutrients removed from it. And for those of you who may be vegan who do not know, vast majority of white sugar is run through a turbine with pig bones to help with the whitening process. So white sugar is not always vegan, so check your sources on that one. But for the fruit roll-ups, it's a very tasty treat, healthy for everybody. And that's what we have for today. Short, simple, to the point. If you'd like to get in touch with us for more information about living that rockin' lifestyle, the information will be in the little box. You can support us if you'd like. We like tea. And we will talk to you soon. Peace.